Hello friends, welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I am Quintana, here with another recipe to share with you. And this week I was going to do another first time recipe, but after the week that I've had, I thought, you know what? I just want something simple and easy and quick and delicious. And so that is what I'm going to bring to you. It is a recipe that I've made many different versions of over the years. And so I kind of made this one my own. And it's a delicious, simple rice noodles with a peanut sauce. And I'm just using peanut butter because that's what I had on hand. Usually I like to use cashew butter. You can also use almond butter, any nut butter that you like. Nut butter makes me laugh. Very grown up of me, I know. But anyway, without further ado, let's get started.
Before we start to make the sauce, make sure you have a large pot of water. Bring it to a boil so you can cook your noodles on the stove. I lightly salted mine. You don't have to. Now we'll start making the sauce by adding our peanut butter, followed by the garlic, and then the liquid aminos, or if you choose, soy sauce. And depending how spicy you like it, the sriracha, you can half the recipe or double it, whatever your choice. Then the fresh lemon juice, the maple syrup, or you can also use honey, the water, the sesame oil, and the white and light green parts of the scallion. Now we're going to whisk it all together until it's nice and smooth. You can also use a blender if you'd like to get it completely smooth, but I like having the texture of the scallions. So the noodles have been cooking for about 5 minutes. Make sure to just follow the directions on your package of noodles. And I'm going to transfer them directly from the pot into the sauce because I want to kind of get some of that nice starchy water. And then I'll have that whole pot to take as much as I need to make sure the sauce doesn't get too thick. If you want to drain them in a colander, you can. Just make sure to save about a cup of that nice starchy water. And now we mix and then we taste.
And there's the finished product. We have our rice noodle and a delicious peanut butter sauce with some sesame seeds and scallions. Ready for the taste tester by your favorite taste tester, Dan.
Here we go. Taking some of this delicious food. Mmm. Very good. It's nice and toothy noodles and fun little textures of the seeds and the scallions. Give it a little sass. I like it a lot.
There you have it. Easy, simple, so quick, so delicious, so filling, so veggie. I hope you try it. Let me know if you do. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to try. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends and spread the word, and I will see you next week.